how to scan the website for FastPanel. So click the shortcut. In the shortcut you can use this, you can see this the scanning option. So when you click here, just click this setting. You can change the FastPanel the maximum file memory limit, everything here you can see is auto run. So the scanning system, the click here, just click the run now. So this is executing the report. So this is happening now. The report comes after within some minute. You can see this report, the scanning report you can see here. Also you can delete here the scanning report. So you can easily get the scanning system for FastPanel. I hope you will easily enjoy using the FastPanel, and everything is free to use, is easy to use for FastPanel access. So when you come, you can easily, I can easily this here. So thank you.